Hey guys, it's Michelle, and I'm going to do an illustration for people that want to insert nice lined columns on their Genesis theme or Genesis framework instead of having to fiddle with the HTML editor. So, and I apologize if there's a humming in the background. I'm trying to fiddle with my volume controls to figure out why it's doing that, so I apologize for that. So if you can just try to ignore it, that would be great. Of course, now that I said that, you're probably thinking about it. Anyway, basically what this is there's a plugin that you need to download, and I've got this on my page here on this post. So, and it's going to take you to a page like this, and you just click download the version, the latest version, okay? And then what you're going to do is then you're going to upload that to your plugins and then activate it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use a certain code in order to create columns. So what's really neat about it is I have a page, like my training page, that has images of books, and I've got that in one column. Then the next column I have, I have words describing what my book is about or what the training is about. So it makes it nice and lined very nicely. And I'm going to show you how to use this because when I saw the posting on this, when I tried to figure out how to do this, there wasn't a video. So I'm going to include a video with this so you can see how it's done. So anyway, basically what you do is on this post, you can do one half, like 2 columns all the way up to 6 columns. All right, so basically what I'm doing here is this is an example of what you would do, and you have to start it with the bracket and depending on if you're going to do, say for instance, we're going to do a 2-columner. So as you can see, I have to name it the 1/2 first. And the one thing I need to make sure you understand is for illustrative purposes, I have a space between this and the bracket. If I did not, then it would execute the plugin, and I don't want that. So be sure not to have a space here so that it will work. And anyway, I'm going to actually show you how this works. I'm going to do an actual blog post to show you. But what I do is, for instance, start it with this code, put in your text, and then make sure you have the code end column, and then start your next column with the code. This is a half one, there's only going to be 2, so, and then the text, and then end the column, and you would do that so on and so forth all the way up to 6 columns. So let me do a blog post for you. So this is just a test post. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here and I'm going to take this code. Alright, I'm just going to copy it just to show you, and I'm going to remove the space. Alright, and then all I'm going to do is this is the text for the first column, and then I'm going to end it with the end column. See how easy that is? And make sure that space. Make sure you remove the space. Then all you do is you start the second one. Half a column or 1/2. Make sure the space is there, gone. Okay. And this is the text for the second column. I know this is really basic, but sometimes you have to be shown. I'm a visual, and you need to be shown. I need to be shown to really get it, because I'm not like a HTML whiz anyway. So as you can see, I removed the spaces there, and let's go ahead and preview that. Alright, so as you can see, some spaces. Let's see all that junk below it. Alright, so as you can see, here's the first column and here's the second column. And you know, if we would have done this for 3 columns, then it would have a third, a third, and a third all the way up to 6. So I really hope that helps, and if you found this post to be of value, I would really appreciate it if you leave me a comment and share this. So okay, I hope to talk to you soon.